Hello everyone, today we will cover how to remove extensions and themes from Mozilla Firefox web browser. And the great thing is that Mozilla makes it easy to remove any browser extension. You can simply right click on the extension and you have some options to manage the extension, remove it from your web browser. You can also remove the extension from the toolbar, but for more customization, you can click on settings, then click on add-ons and themes, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-A. From here you have 4 sections: recommendations, where you will find some recommended themes and browser extensions. In extensions, you can disable or remove any browser extension. Now if you only want to disable the extension, you can simply toggle the switch off to disable it without the need to remove it from your browser. To remove it, click on the 3 dots beside the extension, then click on remove. And to customize the browser extension even more, you have some options. You can enable or disable automatic updates for the browser extension. You can also allow it to work in private mode if you want. And in the permissions section, you will find what permissions the extension have. So if you were concerned about any extension, you can check the permissions section. And beside the enabled extensions, you will find some recommendations. And of course, to find more add-ons, you can click on find more add-ons. The next section is themes, where you can enable or disable any theme in your Firefox web browser. To install any theme, simply click on install theme, then click on add, and you will find it at the top of the themes section. Now you can disable the theme if you want, or you can also click on remove to remove it from your web browser. The final section is plugins, where you can manage your plugins. And for more customization, you can click on Firefox settings. To go back to extensions and themes, simply click on extensions and themes. Now if you were looking for some useful extensions to use on Firefox, I previously covered some of the best extensions and some of the privacy extensions in Mozilla Firefox. I also covered other browser extensions for other web browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Opera. All the links will be in the description below. And if this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful extensions. Until next time, bye.